It starts small. A degree here, a fraction there. But make no mistake, each degree of heat is a step deeper into crisis, and there are only 6 steps until everything we know begins to unravel. This is our final warning. What happens if the planet warms by 1 degree? 2? 3? All the way to 6? In our final warning, 6 degrees of climate emergency, Mark Lynas paints the starkest picture yet of our future. A degree-by-degree journey into a world reshaped by heat. At just 1 degree, where we stand now, ice sheets melt, seas rise, and wildfires consume forests. Food systems falter, and extreme weather strikes harder and faster than ever before. This is not theory. It's the world we already live in. At 2 degrees, danger becomes disaster. The world's coral reefs vanish, heat waves turn deadly, and cities by the sea. From Miami to Manila, London to Lagos, the seas rise, swallowing our cities. No coastline is safe. Food falters, water runs short, and millions are forced to run. At 3 degrees, the Amazon, the great lungs of our planet, collapses. The Arctic loses its summer ice. Storms rage like monsters. Crops fail, hunger spreads, civilization begins to fracture. At 4 degrees, our cities fall. New York, London, Shanghai, drowned beneath rising seas. The Sahara expands north, swallowing Mediterranean lands. The oceans, once teeming with life, turn barren. Billions search for survival, but find none. At 5 degrees, Earth becomes a furnace. Southern Europe, Africa, and South Asia, too hot to inhabit. Civilizations collapse. Humanity stands on the edge of extinction. At 6 degrees, the story ends. Earth returns to an age not seen in 250 million years. A time when nearly all life vanished. A silent world, without us. But this ending is not written. Every fraction of a degree we save is a forest saved, a city saved, a life saved. 6 degrees is a warning, but it is also a choice, our choice. The question is simple. What future will we choose? It's not a warning from years ago. It's happening now. At just 1 degree of warming, we see the real toll. In August 2025, Pakistan's monsoon unleashed its worst floods in decades. Over 1 million people evacuated, hundreds killed, homes and crops wiped out. In Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, flash floods and landslides claimed hundreds of lives. In Punjab, rising rivers displaced hundreds of thousands. Glacier floods in Gilgit-Baltistan wiped out entire villages in mere minutes. 2 degrees pushes us closer to disaster. In Indian-occupied Kashmir, cloudbursts and landslides turned pilgrimage paths into graveyards. This is not tomorrow, it's today. Infrastructure fails, communication breaks, tearing communities apart. But the crisis doesn't stop there. In the West, wildfires tear through California and Greece. Heat waves scorch Spain and Italy, and record storms slam the US and Europe. And just yesterday, an earthquake struck eastern Afghanistan, flattening villages, killing over 800 people, and injuring thousands. Rescue helicopters hover above mud brick debris, while survivors cry out for help amidst the ruins. From Karachi to California, from Delhi to Dallas, the planet speaks with the same voice. We still hold the pen. We still choose the story. The question is simple. Will we rise, or will we fall? Act now. Speak up. Reduce, reuse, resist. Push leaders to act. Protect the vulnerable. Every action counts. Every voice matters. Every degree we prevent saves a future. This is our final warning. The time to act is now. If this message moved you, join our journey. Subscribe to this channel for more powerful stories. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook to be part of a global community that refuses to give up. Together, we can change the ending.